Look at your legs for a second. Not your shoes, not the floor, your legs, the ones that have carried you through decades of life. Be honest, do they feel slower, colder, heavier than 10 years ago? If you're over 75, that's not laziness. It's your circulation quietly slipping away. Here's something most people never notice. Circulation problems often begin in your calves and thighs, not your heart. Blood stops flowing freely, and your legs start lagging behind your movements. The good news? Researchers noticed a pattern. Seniors who keep their legs strong all rely on a few key vitamins. Today, I'll reveal those vitamins that can restore leg blood flow, ranked from least to most powerful. 5. Vitamin C. Seniors with legs that stay light and strong swear by vitamin C. It opens blood vessels so circulation flows freely into tired legs. Without it, vessels tighten and legs feel heavy and stiff. Eat kiwi or red bell peppers to get blood flowing and legs moving easily again. 4. Vitamin B3. Imagine stepping and feeling your legs suddenly lighter, like stiffness just melted away. That's vitamin B3. It opens blood vessels fast and gets circulation moving. Without it, legs can cramp or feel slow. Adding niacin through food or supplements helps your legs move easier and feel stronger. 3. Vitamin K2. Ever wonder why some Japanese seniors walk effortlessly into their 80s? They take vitamin K2. It stops calcium from stiffening arteries and keeps blood flowing smoothly. Without it, legs feel heavy and tired. K2-rich foods or MK7 supplements with a fatty meal help circulation stay open. 2. Vitamin D3. Think your legs are just getting old? Think again. Japanese seniors in their 60s still walk effortlessly thanks to vitamin D3. It keeps blood vessels relaxed so circulation flows easily with every step. Low D3 stiffens arteries, making walking harder. Supplements with K2, or fatty fish plus a bit of sun, help legs feel energized again. 1. Vitamin B12. Now the ultimate game changer, vitamin B12. It nourishes nerves and keeps blood reaching every corner of your legs. Without it, legs feel numb, heavy, or unresponsive. Sublingual methylcobalamin delivers B12 directly to your system, letting legs feel alive, strong, and ready to move.